Moving to Orangeville is a decision many people deliberate when trying to obtain the Canadian dream. And why wouldn't they? This Stockbridge model is a 2,200 square foot home, contains 3 bedrooms, plus a large loft upstairs, a 2-car garage with no sidewalk, as well as a formal dining room and living room filled with light from your large windows. Many upgrades make this home a clear choice for the family who is ready to settle into their ideal neighborhood. This huge family room boasts a gorgeous gas fireplace and hardwood floors. The 2-year-old deck has a sturdy steel gazebo for your enjoyment during a summer barbecue. Upstairs boasts upper loft family room, office, or you can make it into a 4th bedroom. Moving to Orangeville can sometimes be a difficult decision, but when you're looking to find that Canadian dream for your family home, you definitely should take a look. With the school, hospital, parks, Orangeville's downtown, and Island Lake Conservation a walk away, this is the ideal place to raise a family at an affordable price too. This rarely offered Stockbridge Sunvale Home model is absolutely stunning, and it's worth a look, so come to Island Lake and check it out for yourself.